How would you like to get more views and longer watch times and more subscribers for your YouTube channel? If you do, then keep watching. Yeah, hi, it's Martin from I Am Secret Service, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to write a script for a YouTube video. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this. I've got some other resources as well to give away which will help you with your YouTube channel as well. But now let's dive straight into this, what I would call a 4 to 5 step process that you need to do when you're writing your scripts for your YouTube videos. Let's jump into the first one you need to do, and that is you've got to create a hook. You've got about 10 to 15 seconds at the beginning of any video to make sure that someone watches your video for longer. Okay, now if you don't engage them in those 10-15 seconds, then they are gone. They have clicked on the back button and they have gone, and you won't probably see them ever again. So it's really important that you've got to get a really compelling headline, so to speak, that you will actually want them to actually go and continue watching. The second thing is as an intro. Now you can do a very quick intro telling them who you are and maybe what the video is all about. Okay, so then straight away you're going to know exactly what the video is about and also what you're going to be covering inside the video. So that obviously then maintains their interest and obviously keeps them watching for even longer. Third step is you've then got to create the actual content of your video. This is where you will actually deliver your main point of your actual video. So everything that you promised at the beginning of the video, this is where you would actually go and actually deliver this, okay, as part of your main video, your main content area. Now I have got a covenant on this one, and this is what I call, it's the sort of like an additional step that a lot of people don't actually do, and this is where once you've given a lot of the content, is you can actually go and then ask people to subscribe to the channel. Okay, now a lot of people do this way too early before you've actually given out any content, so you're not going to really get a very high percentage of people actually click through and subscribe. But by the time they've hit the majority of the content and you've given them loads of great content, they're more likely to go and actually subscribe. And also make sure you obviously do subscribe to this channel, and again obviously hit the notification bell, because you will get notified every time we make more videos. You just pop that in when you're about probably 3/4 or towards the end of the video, when you've given most of your content. Now we've got the last part of your video script now, and this is probably the most important part. Keep watching, because I'm also gonna be giving away, like I say, some resources at the end of this video which is gonna help you build your YouTube channel even faster. Now the final step that you need to be taking is a call to action. Okay, this obviously comes at the tail end of the video, and it's basically what you want the actual viewer to actually do from here. Now it could be that you want them to subscribe to your email list. It could also mean you want them to go and buy a product or test a product. You could send them to a webinar. You could send them to a blog post, even like a free trial, or even information you're giving away. So that is how you would end the video before you actually sign off. Okay, so just to run through it quickly then again, step 1 is the hook, step 2 is your intro, step 3 is your body content of your actual video, of what the video is actually about. 3A is what I call it, as ask for subscribers, and the last one is a call to action. So there is your final steps. But before you go, I've obviously promised you some more resources that you can go and grab to help you with your YouTube video, and I'm going to give you them right now, and they are my YouTube checklists. Okay, and you can go and download these. I'll put a link in the description below here. You can go, they're free to collect. Click on the link and obviously enter your email address, and then I will send you these directly to your actual inbox. That's it for today's video. Make sure you grab your checklist here, and also if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, don't forget to watch these videos next, and we will see you on the next video.